Leaving cooked rice and veggies overnight? You might be making a big mistake. Let's talk about why. Did you know rice can grow harmful bacteria like Bacillus cereus if left out too long? Even reheating won't kill all the toxins it makes. And those veggies? Storing them for too long can break down their nutrients and even cause harmful nitrates to form, especially in leafy greens. So, when's the best time to eat your food? Right after cooking. Fresh meals equal max flavor and nutrients. If you must save leftovers, refrigerate them within 2 hours and eat them by the next day. Always reheat until steaming hot. Fresh is best, but smart storage is key. Share this with someone who loves meal prep, and don't forget to follow for more food tips. Like, share, follow.